The Middleton-Cross Plains School District cut a ribbon on some newly remodeled spaces today thanks to a citywide referendum. Part of the building houses the Cardinal Academy, a transitional program for students ages 18 to 21. Building renovations included new playground cubbies, restroom adaptations, and some newer resilient flooring. Opposite entrances were also added to the building in order to provide each group with their own independent spaces. Another part of the building is an early learning center for early childhood and 4K.
And it's a beautiful space to learn through play, because play is child's work. And there they get to practice conflict resolution. They get to have academics brought together. Or obviously, we're not expecting mastered academics, but to introduce to the reading and hopefully introduce the love of reading to keep them growing through into their adulthood.
In the past, the school district had 4K at community sites. This is the district's first year having a school-based early learning center.